So it's possible to use these custom aggregation functions in a pivot table. That's good news. Some extra features over here. So let's say we want to group by both department and race, and we're still going to aggregate salary. Our ag func will now be top 5%. So now, yeah, and let's round this off. Okay, great. So what this is saying is that of the top 5 paid fire department employees that are Asian, they account for 27.2% of all of these salaries. Now, some of them are 100% just because there's only 5 or fewer employees in that particular department. So it's literally just all of them. But the main thing here is that you can pass your custom aggregation function to the agfunc parameter in the pivot table method, and it will work just like it always does with any of the other built-in ones.